Jeez. So here we go, YouTube. This is the part everybody been waiting for. Everybody been waiting to see what we coating with. Today, we using Proje 9/8 ceramic coating. Yes, yes, yes. That thing look good. But let me go on and get to it. I have my step stool out so I could get up top. You know, you gotta get up top. That thing, that look good though. So I'm gonna bring you guys in and show you guys exactly how this look going on being applied to the hood. So Cash gonna set y'all up and we're gonna start this thing. Let's go. Cross hatchet. And then you let it flash. I can see it's flashing, so it's time for me to get it off. So you see my towels right there. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. Proje 9/8 did its thing. Brilliant shine. Brilliant, brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant. Of course I have the step stool out to get the roof. I'm about to do the windows. Now the windows, as you can see, the windows are dirty, but that's on the inside. So, oh, ta-da! So, window cleaning about to go down. Stay tuned. Y'all already know how it look when it's on there, so I'm not gonna show y'all. I'm gonna just do the YouTube magic and say be right back, and when I come back, everything clean. So, be right back. Like I told y'all, YouTube, some YouTube magic. Ta-da. She got to cure. Once she cure, I'm gonna take her out and I'm gonna let you guys see it on the outside from the thing, of course, in the natural sunlight. But letting everything do what it do. And once everything do what it do, we'll bring it on outside. Well, bring it from underneath here and let you guys see what it looked like when the sun hit it and after it cures. Showing y'all these windows. Here's the glass. GMC AT4. Got the cash shine. It just experienced the cash shine. YouTube, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said again, how to ceramic coat a 2022 AT4 Yukon featuring Cash. What we use Melco Prep shampoo. We polished with red SPTA ultra fine cutting pad. Is a polish pad with fabulous polish. We came back with Grill's Garage surface prep
to prep this here beautiful surface. Then after that, we came with a panel prep spray from Proje with the Proje 9H ceramic on this here beast. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video. If so, subscribe, thumbs up, comment, share it to everybody in the world. It's your guy KashDaKoolDad. Hope y'all enjoyed this series. Deuces.